Hi there, everyone. It's Harley again. I'm out for a little walk in Burnaby, and I just see an eagle over there in the tree. It's kind of pretty. Zoom out for you. Disappeared. But he's got a nest up there. You can hear him whistling. We'll see if we can see him. Anyways, I'm going for a walk in the woods, and I'm going for a little, you could call it grocery shopping trip. It's springtime, so there's all sorts of delicious wild edibles around and everything, so yeah, it'll be pretty fun. Check it out, skunk cabbage. Guess why they call it skunk cabbage? Look at these. These are bracken fern fiddleheads. And as you can see, somebody's come along and harvested some already. Here and here. And there and there. Unless it was a deer, it could have been a deer. But I kind of doubt it. Wow, it's almost too late for them. These are another really good edible here. Salmon berry, and you want to get them while you can still break them like that. Then you just peel it. They're kind of tart but sweet too. So I'll pick some of them. They're delicious. There's also, but yeah, so let's go for a walk. So I found a pretty cool place to walk. It looks like this used to be an old dump back before we had plastic, because there's a whole bunch of old glass bottles and pieces of ceramic, and I see some oyster shells here, but it's pretty fun to go pick through. Like I found some pretty neat things. Here's an old bottle. Looks like it was melted in a fire, but I love that kind of stuff. It's so cool. Wow, here's a big chunk of glass. Can melt that down in my kiln. Throw it in my pocket. Ooh, look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Blue glass. Who'd have thought you could find cool naturals in the city? Now that'll make a sweet point. Yeah, see? Here's like an old mug. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool looking. Anyways, that's what I'm up to. I'll collect some food and show you what I'm eating. I ate that little piece of salmon berry, and it wasn't too good. It's kind of bitter, kind of tart. But I'm sure if you needed to eat it, you'd learn to love it pretty quick. But anyways, I'll show you if I find anything really cool. I already found like a weird duck head. It's pretty cool. I'll show you that. Might as well. It's in my pocket. Pretty cool, huh? Pretty cool if you like junk. Everybody likes junk. Don't lie. Ah, that's better. I got tired of that trail, and it ended anyways. So I walked along the, I guess you could call it a highway, up there. I think it's Barnet Road. Barnet, depending on how you pronounce that. Anyways, so I've like made my way down through the thick, relatively thick woods, and I'm gonna be picking some delicious, well, I don't know if you could call them delicious, but they're fiddleheads, so I'm gonna pick them. And I've eaten them before, so they're not deadly. So it's not a park here, I don't think. It's just a little stretch of land in between the mountain, which is a park, and the ocean, which isn't a park. So, yeah, I figure no trail, no harm done. As long as you're not picking every fern, you know, you're not damaging anything. But hopefully we can find some morels. I've never found one before. That would be sweet. This looks like a nice little hobo nest. That's what I call them. They're not really homes, they're just nests. You know, if I was homeless, I would be eating all sorts of cool stuff. Oh, this one's pretty. This camera's focus is a problem. There we go. Now, I think I said these are bracken fern, but they're not. They're almost like an ostrich fern. But as I showed you before, they are edible and people pick them. I've eaten them before. They're kind of bitter and slimy, but I've eaten regular fiddleheads before too. They're about the same thing. Alrighty, well let's harvest a couple of these too. When they're like this, their spines aren't too pokey. And you want to be able to break it like that when you bend it. If it bends and it doesn't break, it's too old. So, those are my secrets. And if you're up here, they pretty much grow everywhere, so. It's not too much of a secret, I guess. Alrighty, well, I've got my sling here today. I made it the other day, just out of some suede. And I'm not very good at it yet, but I'm gonna be practicing with that too if I can get down to the ocean. That's where the ocean is, over in there. So, alrighty, I'll be back with you in a bit. Just gotta continue bushwhacking. Alrighty, I shouldn't make that much noise. I don't know if I'm supposed to be here. You know what, in Vancouver I'm probably not supposed to be here. Then again, I'm not supposed to be in Vancouver, come on. Come on. But, alrighty. Take care.